The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad today organized the Tirot Singh Best Students Award 2023 in Shillong. Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal, who participated in the event, congratulated the students and urged them to work hard and excel in their lives. Recalling the sacrifice made by the freedom fighter Tirot Singh, Sonowal paid his rich tribute to him. He also said the education is an important tool for empowering the youths and the country. Cabinet Minister A.L. Hegg, who was also present on the occasion, lauded the ABVP for organizing the event.
Inception since 1948.
With his inspiration, now whoever have dedicated their life for the cause of the freedom struggle, they are respected, remembered, and with their sense of dedication, devotion, commitment for the country, we'll have to rise up and we'll have to take a vow. We'll also here to put our best possible effort for the cause of the country.
The state BJP has denied reports that